Hello, and welcome to A Tale of Three Cabins. This is going to be about three different properties that we own. A hunting cabin in southern Ohio, a rental property, which is where I'm at today in Tennessee, just outside of the Smoky Mountains, and our home, which is a log cabin in northern Ohio. So I thought maybe you'd want to watch what happens when you have to juggle between three properties and maintain them, and what's involved, and the three different aspects: a vacation home, a rental property, and a regular home. I'm just finishing up some odds and ends here today, and I'm going to be heading back home tomorrow. It's about an 8-hour drive. But during the week, I had some friends come down and we did some projects. We worked on a set of stairs that we wanted to build, make it much easier. Our cabin is kind of built on the side of a mountain, literally, and sometimes you got to be like a mountain goat to get up and down to the basement. So we divided up our efforts. 2 of us started working on the stringers, and 2 of us started working on putting in the post. So our initial plan was to just use one stringer hooked in with post already there from our side porch, and then to dig 3 more posts for the other stringer. Turns out we only needed to dig 2 posts.
Can you get any on the top side or?
So I came down from southern Ohio, and when I left there was a half foot of snow on the ground and temperatures were in the 20s. Today here in Tennessee, as we're working on these steps, it's the mid-50s, sunshine, and they're calling for a winter storm warning tomorrow. So far everything's going pretty smooth. We get our 2 posts set. If you look on the left, you can see a blue rope, which is the means of getting up and down that hill before steps are being put in. It was quite a chore hauling materials, mattresses, vanities, etc. up and down that hill. We decided to let the concrete cure overnight, and since it's only about noon at this time, we decided to go into the national park and enjoy some of the nice weather before the winter storm arrives later tonight.
Bring that bag of salt.
Needless to say, the weather would not cooperate, and it wasn't worth trying to work outside with the wind, the wet snow, and the muddy hillside. We were able to keep ourselves occupied inside most of the day with odds and ends, taking down Christmas decorations, and fixing a sofa bed that somebody must have thought was a trampoline. The next day was in the mid-20s, very windy, but we decided to go back out, hang our stringers, and just finish the steps.
don't know if we should go that far back. I'm almost thinking we
All the way to the post, maybe.
So our treads came out pretty good. We used 2x instead of 1x decking. That way it's a bit more sturdier. We didn't have to put a stringer down the middle, and it feels very solid to walk on there. So I'm pretty pleased with it. We did another little bonus project while we were down there. I started a workbench a little bit ago, and we were able to finish that up. So I used some old countertop that I had. We had joined the main part of this bench with existing posts that run through the top and bottom of the cabin. And I picked up some pegboard when we picked up the materials for the steps, and now I just got to hang some more tools on it. So probably in a future trip, we'll probably add a strip outlet to it, maybe tie in some Romex that's right above it. I did buy a little shop light to put right above there, and maybe once we tie into that Romex up there, we could also get that shop light incorporated with it.
Well, thanks. This episode might have been a little short, but hopefully in the future we'll document things a little bit better. And thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe and keep an eye on us. Take care. Bye.